Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be setting up our folder structure. So basically, we have already created our project. So if you, in case you haven't, what you can do is simply go New File and Project. And here, what we want to choose basically is this single view app. Then click Next, and basically give it a name, product name. Select your team if you have any, an organization name, your organization identifier, language to be Swift, and user interface we're going to choose SwiftUI, and make sure to check use CoreData because we're going to be using CoreData to persist our to-do list in this video series. So make sure you select that and click next and finish this wizard, and it's going to basically bring you right here in the similar structure that we have here that I have it open. So let's go ahead and organize our files first. So I'm going to actually choose new group without folder, and we're going to create some folders. So new group without folder, app related stuff, and we're going to need some for so now you notice this changed to a new group with folder. So we just want to select new group, and we're going to say view models, and we're not going to need models, but just to keep everything in sync, I'm going to create that just as a good practice. We're also going to need a controls because we're going to be creating our own controls, so we're going to put controls extensions and stuff like that in here. We will need one for services that's going to host our CoreData manager. So services, or you can call it API, whatever you want to call it. All right, so I think that should be it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start moving stuff first. So I'm going to move app delegate, scene delegate into that, and views, content view into views, asset into app delegate, launch screen, app, right here. This guy is going to go in services, and PV content, we can actually move it under app as well. Okay, so let's see. If I collapse everything, we should have this clean structure that we can actually work with. So let's collapse everything, and this is what we have. So what we're gonna do in the next video is we're gonna start working on some of the controls, and basically I'll show you how you can create a progress bar and a checkbox view, a regular progress bar and checkbox view, and then we can create some extensions. From there on, we're gonna create Neumorphic effects and stuff like that. Once we have done all that, we're gonna come back to data manager and create data manager, then view model, then views. Okay, so that's the pattern or path we're gonna follow. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and we're gonna get started with our controls. All right.